I was really surprised how much things are happening here right now.
Just positively surprised. We've been in some other programs before. What you guys are doing is really exceptional compared to other programs, so we really love being here.
The ecosystem is very deeply interconnected, I would say. And not only that, you have a lot of great industrial Mittelstand companies here in this region that you can really easily connect with, both on events, but also on site. And I really like this exchange a lot.
The location, I mean, specifically the co-working spaces, but also where we get to live. It's awesome, like awesome people.
It really accelerated our journey and our growth. And a lot of valuable input and amazing people to talk to, connect with, and do collaborations.
We got to introduce to the program to everybody that's participating on the startup sites, but also the mentors and the workshops that we are getting. Yeah, just being super grateful to be part of this batch with the other startup founders, but also with all the experts that would guide us through the weeks.